One day, some Jews were sitting in a place. At that time, a beggar came and asked them for alms. Those people mocked him and said, "Go to the inner chamber. Hazrat Ali is sitting there. He will give you abundant wealth because he is very generous." The beggar, following the words of the disbelievers, went to the inner chamber and asked him for alms. At that moment, Hazrat Ali had nothing to give the beggar. He blew on the beggar's two hands and said, "Close your hands into fists and go to the disbelievers and open them." When the beggar went to the disbelievers and opened his hands, they saw a jewel in the beggar's hands, which was worth 1,000 dinars. The disbelievers came to Hazrat Ali and asked, "How did you get this jewel without any effort?" Hazrat Ali explained that when the beggar asked him for alms, he felt embarrassed that he had nothing to give him. So, he recited Darood Sharif, a blessing on the Prophet, and blew on the beggar's hands. In return for reciting the Darood, Allah created the jewel in his hands. Hearing this, the disbelievers were extremely surprised. 3 of them even became Muslims at that moment. Subhanallah.